The C920, the absolute legendary webcam that's been around for years now, is probably sitting on the top of your monitor, or you know or have watched someone as a streamer with the C920 as their webcam. Now, if you want to upgrade from that, you're going to have to consider things like a DSLR or a higher end webcam like the Elgato Facecam. Well, today I'm actually talking to you about an upgrade that you have to probably pay nothing for, because it's in your pocket. Cell phone, EpocCam from Elgato, by the way, and they have a free app that you can pay for more features. But let me talk to you about why this free app is amazing, and the cameras on your phones probably are the option that you need to be looking at before investing into a new camera. Let's get into it. You know what else you can upgrade really easily? Your overlays. Let me tell you about my partners over at On.tv. On.tv is the place to grab streaming packages. It's fantastic, not only the colors, but everything that's included with it, with its package, all of the channel stuff. It's crazy, everything you get in these packages that are themed to keep your channel looking professional. If you want to upgrade your stream today, visit the link in the description, on.gg/Cyrus, and make sure to use my coupon code at checkout, which is Cyrus, to get 50% off your entire order. Follow the link in the description to support the channel and to upgrade your stream today. So EpocCam is a great option for those of you who have an iPhone. At this time, I don't think Android is supported, but if you're looking for something that is supported by Android, check the link or the card that I'll put up right here for a program that does support Android. But for those of you who have iPhones or Apple or whatever the case, this is a great option. So let me show you around this and go ahead and tell you that green screen is an option, blurry backgrounds are an option, filters are, it's crazy. Let's take a look at it. All right, so you actually see I'm looking at two completely different cameras, and you're going to see that they're kind of out of sync. One of the things that you can do to upgrade EpocCam is to pay, so you can actually hook up a USB cable to your computer, and by doing that, you can actually get like very low latency transfer of the video, but you can actually adjust the audio latency in OBS if you wanted to. But anyway, so what you can do is just go ahead and adjust the audio latency, and it'll be like nothing's actually happening. But what you do is you download the app, you put it on your PC, and then you grab it in OBS just like what I'm doing. But what you can do in this program is choose filters. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some B-roll up of a screen recording where I'm actually floating through these filters right now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show them to you up on the screen. So one of the filters is to just create a blurry background, and with all of my lights behind me, if I turn them off, it kind of grabs everything, but maybe not so well. But if you have a nice solid background and maybe not so much stuff in the scene, this could work really well. Another really cool one is the green screen, and by clicking green screen, you can see that it actually turns everything green, and all you have to do is actually add the filter or like a chroma key filter in OBS to create the green screen removal. So if you want to have green screen, this is built into the app. Then you have some other color filters like clean. This one's called flower invert. That's cool. You have paint, which kind of just smooths the face out. You have pixel, where you can get pixelated. Sepia, VHS, vivid. Well, that's kind of nice too. And then you get these things like filters, and you can point your ears and change like what's on your head. But anyway, what you have is, this is actually just the front camera. I'm actually staring at myself on the front facing. Here, I'll go ahead and show it to the screen at the bottom. So you actually see I'm showing it the front facing. There's my Sony ZV-E10, by the way. But what you're seeing is actually the front facing camera. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip it to the back so you can see a quality difference. You can tell on that back facing screen, that quality of 1080p is so much better. So you might want to try to put it on the back facing and just maybe monitor this way. I like this better. To hold this, I actually have this on this little nazi. I'll just cover my face so you can see this kind of like tripod. Really cool. You can get a bunch of different ways to actually mount your phone to your desk, and you can kind of look at that all you want, but it's really nice. I think this was like 30 bucks, 20 bucks or something. So I'll put it in the link in the description if you want to go check it out. I love this thing because it actually is a really good like selfie stick, but also vlogging for my camera. You should go check it out. So what do you think? EpocCam, do you think this could be a really good upgrade for your stream, or do you think that this is not a worthwhile upgrade? Let me know down in the description if it's something that you would look at, or maybe you want me to do like a video comparison of the C920 to EpocCam to maybe my main camera. Let me know if you want to see the difference there and maybe how I can color correct them and see if I can get them as close as possible. Anyway, I think that'll cover us for what we're doing today. If you want to see how to use some really cool owned software, check this video out. It's for the Own Pro subscription, and man, does it make OBS so much cooler than it was before. You should check it out. We'll see you over in that video.